this is Jaspreet Gujral and welcome to Konsalo Kehta Hai. The reason why I wanted to start this channel was because there was a lot of knowledge being thrown around in YouTube, and personally I feel that more than half of my knowledge comes from YouTube itself. But there was a dearth of legal knowledge in the common public, and I feel that maybe these videos are gonna help you. So let's get started. To understand FIR, first we should know the difference between a crime and a civil wrong. A crime is a crime or a wrong against the state. For example, if someone has committed a murder, yes, he has also wronged the family members of that person, but the state assumes the responsibility of keeping all its members and citizens secured. So the state will be the prosecuting party in a criminal case. On the other hand, in a civil wrong, for example, a property dispute wherein maybe two brothers are fighting, there the state will not be one of the parties. The people who are involved in that civil dispute will be the parties in that particular case. FIR, though not defined in the CRPC explicitly, see this section for reference, is used very extensively in the common parlance. It stands for the first information report, and this information is about a crime that has been committed by someone who may be known or unknown, which is made to the police officers. After the FIR is registered, the police proceeds with their investigation to find out whether the crime has been really committed or not. Who can file an FIR? An FIR can be filed by a victim, by a witness, or anybody who's got the knowledge of the commission of the crime. The crimes that can be reported in an FIR are called cognizable offences. Cognizable offences are those offences wherein the police has the power to arrest without a warrant. For example, a murder, a rape, a theft. On the other hand, a non-cognizable offences like defamation or bigamy, these are offences wherein the police hasn't got the authority to make an arrest without a warrant. An FIR has to be registered in the nearest police station that has a jurisdiction of that area. If that's not possible, in emergency cases, an FIR can also be registered in any adjacent police station, which later on will transfer that complaint to that particular station that has the real jurisdiction. Now, in cases of emergencies, an FIR can also be lodged over a phone or over an email, but again, the person who's making the complaint will have to go to the police station to sign the statement that he's made to the cops, and also to get a statement of the also to in fact get a copy of the FIR. Now, with the advancement in technology, we've also got the option of lodging an FIR online. A lot of the states now have a website wherein you can make a complaint, and if there is water in the complaint, this will actually materialize into an FIR. Also, you can use an app called the Citizen Cop, which is amazing if you are a person who really likes to abide the traffic laws and hate people who just park their car wherever they get their eyes on. So with that app, you can just click a photo and the challan will be sent to the people who own the car by post. It's called Citizen Cop. After an FIR, the police, as I told you before, the police starts their investigation. And if the police is satisfied in their investigation that there is a commission of any sort of crime, they will prepare a charge sheet. And then that charge sheet, or also known as challan, will be sent to the magistrate where the case will be tried. And if the police is not satisfied that the crime has ever been committed, then the police has a right to close the case. But in that case, the cops are bound to tell the citizens or the person who's made the complaint as to why the complaint did not materialize into an FIR. There are a lot of confusion that revolve around FIRs and when it comes to criminal law in particular. For example, if an FIR is registered against anyone, he is not yet convicted, he is only an accused. The police hasn't got the right to convict a person. All that the police has to do is to investigate into the crime, and the pronouncement of his guilt will be done by the magistrate. The power is given to the judiciary to decide whether a person is going to be a convict, or he's going to move out guilt free, or is going to be discharged. but the police has to only do the investigation. There's a lot of other questions that you might need to ask me. Feel free to post your questions. If you like this video and if you think that this video helped you at all, please do click the like button and subscribe, and I would love to answer any of this, and I would love to make any further videos if you want me to. Thank you. Bye bye.